Hi, today we have to see maintenance view. Last session we have to see projection view help you on the database view. But this session we have to see maintenance view. Thank you for my new subscribers and subscribe my channel. Maintenance view is nothing but it is a views created on two or more tables, which is used to maintain the data of the several tables altogether. Okay, so it helps to maintain the complex. Now we have created the maintenance table. Let's see how to create the maintenance view. Now go to the transaction code AC11. Now we can create the maintenance view. Click create maintenance view. Copy. Now you have give the SAR description like maintenance view. Give the table name which you have linked with the foreign key relationship. Okay, the table only you can give because it is a joint condition. Okay, you have compulsory linked for the foreign key. Okay, now I can give the table name. I have give the table name like value table. This table have linked the foreign key, so I can give click relationship. Yeah, this reference to table I can get. So I click the checkbox and click copy. Yeah, I get it the tables. Now you can go the V fields. Now you can click the table fields. You can click the value table. Choose. You can give the identity name, department, gender. Okay, copy. You can give again table fields, check table, choose. You can select already the same fields like okay. If you're interested to click some other fields like which you have created, you have click or selected. Otherwise, no. Okay, okay. Now save it, local object, and activate the table. Yes, my table was my activator. This is selection condition. If you're interested to give the conditions, you can choose the selection conditions. Okay, next you can go to the maintenance status. Maintenance status you can get the access like read only, read, change, delete and insert, read and change time specific views. Now we have to give the access for read, change, delete and insert. Okay, because the reason we have created the maintenance view for read, change, edit and insert the data. Okay, we have go to the utilities, click contents. We can see no database view exists view the maintenance view. Okay, which we have created the maintenance view. No database view exists. Okay, now what is the reason? Because we uh, did not created the TMG. Okay, now we have created the TMG for the maintenance view. You can go to the utilities, table maintenance generator. You can give the authorization group NC. This is the authorization group, and you can give the function group. Function group is the maintenance view table name. You can give the function group name like this, and you can the maintenance view one step. This overview screen is one. Okay, dialog data. This is no. Now we can click create button. Yes, save it. Local object. Okay. Now again save it. Okay. Now the TNG was created. Go back. Okay, now you can give the utilities. You can click contents. Yeah, now you have edit the data. Okay, because we have created the table maintenance generated for the maintenance view. So we have read, change, delete, and insert the data. Okay, now go to the utilities, contents. You can give the display and change this one. Now you can change and edit the data which you have like for department or name. Okay, so you have add the new entry, delete the new entry, max, save it. The data was saved, and you delete this field, you have deleted. So this is the reason why we have created the table maintenance generator for the maintenance view, because we have edit the data for the maintenance view. So this is the maintenance view. Okay, so nothing more than that. You can insert, edit, delete, change. This is the maintenance view. In our next sessions, we will see how to create the table maintenance generator, how to update and delete the records for TMG. So thank you. This is the table maintenance view, and this is the how to create the table maintenance generator for the maintenance view. Okay, thank you. Thank you for my new subscribers, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you.